As a doctor, how do you handle the legal notices is the first step you should learn in a medical negligence case. What if your patient's message lands on your WhatsApp or a patient's email shows up in your inbox and all they are asking is for treatment details or records? What would you actually do? Is it a message? Is it an email or a legal notice? Actually, the legal notices don't come labeled as legal notices anymore. Speed post, WhatsApp or email, they can arrive anywhere, anytime or in any form. Treatment detail, patient information or maybe just a question. The name can be anything. If a patient or their relative sends their query to the email ID that you have printed on your prescription slip or to your WhatsApp official number, then you have to treat it as a legal notice. Don't mistake it for just an email or a message. Every written or verbal communication, whether on WhatsApp, of yours is an evidence. The only question is how it is presented in court. As a printout or an audio or an video recording. So a doctor friend of mine called me after 8 long years from Hyderabad. Bro, I got an email. Someone is claiming to be a patient's relative, asking for information. What do I reply? I asked, is the sender confirmed as the relative? He said, I honestly don't know. I said, then he is just claiming it himself. Audience, now listen very carefully. There are two very distinct courses of action depending on whether your practitioner is solo or you are a corporate practitioner. So I asked him, are you solo or corporate? He said, bro, I'm solo right now, but I'm planning to leave it. I said, okay, as a solo practitioner, first you have to confirm the identity of the sender. Don't hand over the records to just anyone or you will be guilty of breach of privacy of the patient. Secondly, within 72 hours, you have to acknowledge the email and give the records free of cost. Third, never write sorry or my apologies in the email. Keep the empathy, but don't use a single word that could read as your admission of guilt in the court of law. Once you have sent the record, never edit, improve or alter them. Ever. These documents and records are later submitted under affidavits. Any alteration done, criminal proceedings will be initiated against you. So now my friend asked me, what about the corporates? Now if you are in corporate hospital, then don't fight this alone. Don't reply on your own. Loop in the HR, admin or legal team. All of them. Send just one acknowledgement email to the sender. Ask for 72 hours of time and CC your entire hospital team. So then my friend asked me, is that enough? I said, no, get the drafting of the email done by an expert, bro. Rest of the information, read it in the caption. Save this, you'll need it when the notice actually arrives.